Welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a function that parsed the formula into all relevant tokens, that is, left-hand side tokens, right-hand side tokens, and formula sign. And we printed it out here. Today we will learn how to create a function that will print the formula when all these relevant tokens are provided. I will call the function present formula. So I'm writing into the library, define present formula, and then the input is left hand side tokens, formula sign, and right hand side tokens column, and now I'm providing the implementation of the function. So first, this formula has to be printed in one single line, so I will use a different kind of print, a print ending in comma. So I'm saying for I in range of len of left hand side tokens. Well, this for will go over all the indices in the left hand side token. So let's say if I have 5 left hand side tokens in the left hand side tokens, then the I will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 for each of the 5 items. Okay, now I'm saying print left hand side tokens at index I, and then I'm adding comma, so this print will end up with a space instead of going on the next line. Next thing, it will be printing the formula sign, and the last one will be the same for loop but for the right hand side tokens. So right hand side tokens, print right hand side tokens of I. So since I have comma at the end of the print, all print commands so far, everything it will be in a single line, but at the end I want to end the line. So I'm saying print with no line. So I will save this library, and now I'm going back to my solution PY. I have to import present formula as well from the library. Present formula, and now once I am parsing it, I would like to print it at this is the step 0 in my solution, so I will say print step 0 column. Okay, and now I'm saying present formula of left hand side tokens f sign and right hand side tokens. Okay, so now I do not need all these printing lines. Okay, so I am reading the formula from analysis object. I am parsing the tokens, and then first 0 step, let's say it's present the formula with these left hand side tokens sign and right hand side tokens. Then we will start changing these 3 items until we reach the solution. So let's test this code. I will save the library. I will save solution PY, and now I will run our 4 tests. So solution PY analysis.json. That's very good. So I have step 0, first left hand side token, second left hand side token, sign, and the only one right hand side token. Okay, let's run the test for the other 3 problems that we have. This one passed. This one passed as well, and the last one. Okay, all of them passed. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.